Welcome back to the Truth Seeking Network, everybody. It's been a while since I did a video, but I'm gonna do a video so about Bitcoin again. So you know that the Bitcoin ETFs have now been approved, and 11 companies have now uh have filed for Bitcoin ETFs and are now trading Bitcoin ETFs. But I do not want you guys to be fooled about what's going on right now in the markets. As you can see that the markets, uh, the Bitcoin market is and has been uh, manipulated, and it's being manipulated right now. And for all you new people that's trying to get into, you wanted to get into the Bitcoin through the ETFs. Do not let the price swings fool you. Do not let these people shake you out of your crypto or your Bitcoin. What they're trying to do is scare you out of the markets so that you'll never come back. And then when you sell out of your cryptos, they'll buy them all up, and so they'll end up owning everything. We've seen this many times before. So this is a warning to you guys. All of you wanted to get into cryptos, and for me, the best way for you to buy Bitcoin anyway is to buy directly yourself and own the asset yourself by going off an exchange and buy your own Bitcoin and then hollow it into your cold wallet. You hold your own Bitcoin. But you can also, now it's now opened up to everyone. So everyone can easily go into the, you know, go on Schwab, Charles Schwab, Fidelity, ARK Investment, any of these groups, Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust, Bitwise, BlackRock, and these all and there's 11 of them. So you can own these spot ETFs now, and you can buy into them. And I'm gonna tell you, this is the beginning of an asset class. So it would be smart to buy into it in the beginning of an asset class, and just hold on. Don't let them don't get shaken out the market because Bitcoin goes up and down like that. Because that's what Bitcoin does. But you got to look at the real big picture. In 2009, these people have been fighting Bitcoin the whole time through. I want y'all to understand that. So Bitcoin used to be a penny. It was worthless. Now it's 40 something thousand dollars. And they always called it rat poison. Or they said it's not real money or imaginary money or all kind of names. And a lot of the same people that were talking bad against Bitcoin now own the most Bitcoin. And you can see through the 15-year history of Bitcoin, you can see that now it's 40 something thousand dollars per coin. So, and it's the asset that's gone up more than anything else. Although it has been volatile, think about it. You could have got it for a penny. You could have got it for $5. You could have got it for 30 cents. You could have got it for a nickel. You could have got it for $25 or $100. You'll be happy if you got it for any of those prices down there. You'd be happy if you got it for $300 a coin. Because right now it's 40 something thousand dollars per coin. All right. And so now countries are mining Bitcoin, they're buying Bitcoin. Large institutions are buying Bitcoin and owning Bitcoin, not just only retail people. So it is huge. And now it's going to get bigger. And in the beginning, they want to shake and scare as many of you out of this crypto as possible. So don't fall for this. And people who've been in Bitcoin for a long time, they've seen this before. And what they're going to do, you're going to hear all kind of news. Oh, it's bad. It's not this. It's not a real asset. Blah, blah, blah. If it wasn't a real asset, y'all, 11 institutions wouldn't have had spot Bitcoin ETFs. Okay. And it's going to be more crypto ETFs coming with some of the other coins like Ethereum. So I just don't let them fool you out of your crypto. And I want to show you something what Vanguard said, right? And then we're going to look into Vanguard just a little bit because Vanguard says that they look at this one place you want to find Bitcoin ETF is Jeff Bogle's Vanguard, right? And listen, a Vanguard spokeswoman told CNBC that the asset management giant has no plans to create a Bitcoin ETF of its own or to even offer funds from other issuers on its trading platform. Vanguard is one of the two dominant players in the US ETF market. Its chief rival, BlackRock, has entered the Bitcoin space with shares Bitcoin Trust. So they have one. They actually made a Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock did. Let's go on. A Vanguard spokeswoman told CNBC that the asset management giant has no plans to create a Bitcoin ETF of its own or even offer funds from other issuers on its trading platform. While we continuously evaluate our brokerage offer and evaluate new product and entries to the market, spot Bitcoin ETFs will not be available for purchase on the Vanguard platform. We also have no plans to offer Vanguard Bitcoin ETFs or other crypto-related products, the statement said. So we're gonna see that does Vanguard, are they into any crypto at all? Are they into any other related crypto products at all? So I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna go to we're gonna check out a couple of companies and we're gonna see and these are Bitcoin mining companies, y'all. I'm gonna take y'all to some Bitcoin mining companies and I'm gonna show y'all the lies of these people. And then you get to see for yourself. Because this is the Truth Seeking Network, and you're gonna see the truth today with Vanguard, what they're saying, but what they're really putting their money into. And you're gonna see it for yourself. So don't listen to what they say, just watch what they do. Pay attention. But as you must be smarter today. You must be a smarter investor today than we were before in the past. It's time for everyone to wake up and stop being led by these gurus or these people misleading you so that now you won't own any Bitcoin. Jim Cramer, when Bitcoin dropped to 16,000 and 17, he was like, sell, 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 telling you to sell, right? Now Bitcoin's at 40 something thousand. And guess what he's saying again? Sell, 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 sell. Why would you sell your Bitcoin at 40 something thousand? Even if it went to 49 and dropped to 40, why would you sell? That's the fake out, shake out phase. That's all it is. It's to fake you and shake you out. When you sell, somebody else is buying up your crypto. And y'all must understand that. All right. So she says, our perspective is that these products do not align with our offer focused on asset classes such as equities, bonds, and cash, which Vanguard views as the building blocks of a well-balanced long-term investment portfolio. The statement continued, Vanguard is one of the two dominant players in the ETF US market. Its chief rival, BlackRock, has entered the Bitcoin space with the iShares Bitcoin Trust, launching Thursday. All right. So now we're going to see. So I'm going to pull up a couple of companies, and these are Bitcoin mining companies, y'all. So they're already in the crypto. They're just doing it another way. Now I'm going to show you this. Okay, so on my screen is a company called Riot Platforms, Inc., right? Now, Riot Platforms is a Bitcoin mining company, right? And so we're going to, right here, it says the major holders breakdown, right? So we're going to see the top institutional holders. Who is the top institutional holder for Riot platforms, right? Vanguard Group is the biggest with 19, what's that? 19,260,708 shares as of what? September the 29th, 2023. So they even own more shares than BlackRock or State Street Corporation. Now, mind you, Vanguard and State Street Corporation said that they're not into or crypto affiliated assets. Well, how can that be? So my point is they already own shares of a Bitcoin mining company, and they own the majority shares. And State Street, behind BlackRock, is the third largest holder of Riot platforms. Now, let's pull up Riot platform, Riot Black company profile, right? Let's see what they do, just to show y'all. Watch this, y'all. So we're gonna look up Riot blockchain company profile. Let's look it up. See? Riot Platform Inc. operates as a Bitcoin mining company. The company focuses on buying cryptocurrency and blockchain businesses, as well as support blockchain technology companies. So I really don't even go any further than that. So Vanguard is the major shareholder. All right. They're the major shareholder of this company. Riot Platforms Inc., together with its subsidiaries, operates as a Bitcoin mining company in North America. It operates through Bitcoin mining, data centers, housing, and engineering segments. The company also provides co-location services for institutional scale Bitcoin mining companies and critical infrastructure and workforce for institutional scale miners to deploy, and operate their miners. See? So I don't need to read it all, but there you go. It just show you. Now I'm gonna show you another company that they own as well. So you can see on my screen now, we got Marathon Digital Holdings, Inc. Operates as a digital asset technology company that mines digital assets with the focus on the blockchain ecosystem and the generation of digital assets in the United States. The company was formerly known as Marathon Patent Group. All right. So they also they mine Bitcoin. And they're also a Bitcoin miner. So now we're going to see, right, the major, right? We're going to see the major shareholders. Okay. Major shareholders. All right. Look at this, y'all. See? Marathon Digital Holdings, right? And what? Who is the top 10 owners of Marathon Digital Holdings, Inc.? The number one is what? Vanguard Group. They own more than BlackRock. Look how many shares they own. 18,054,048. You see how many shares they own? They own more than anybody. The same company that says that crypto, right? They have no interest in Bitcoin. Yes, they do. They own the mining companies that mine the Bitcoin. You see that? And they own more shares than anybody. It's right here. And then BlackRock is second. So again, this is just to show you that these people, they speak out their mouths, but they don't tell the truth. They don't tell the full truth of what they own. And they own a lot. And these are not the only two holdings that they own, but I'm just showing you two. So don't let them shake you out of your Bitcoin. All right? Don't let them rock you out of your spot. And especially, y'all, you got to remember there's only 21 million Bitcoin. And they said about 5 million of 4 to 5 million have been lost. And so now that they have all those 11 institutions who have bought, who have now have a spot Bitcoin ETF, guess what? That means they own Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin is running out. And if people are buying it, institutions are buying it, countries are buying it, companies are buying it, right? And people are buying fractions of it, it won't be too much Bitcoin left. And so we know when something's scarce and rare, the price goes higher. But before that happens, they're going to gyrate the prices up and down to try to shake you out of your position. I just said have diamond hands, laser eyes, and hold tight. All right? So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is the Truth Seeking Network. Peace till next time. And I'm out.